Hello, students. Welcome to science class and the series on body movements. Have you ever wondered how we can run, jump, or even bend down to tie our shoelaces? All these movements happen because of the perfect teamwork between your bones, joints, and muscles. Today, we will explore the next topic in the series, body movements in humans. Our body is a well-designed system. Bones provide structure, while joints and muscles allow flexibility and movement. For example, when you bend down to pick something up, your joints bend, and your muscles move the bones to make it happen. The skeletal system. Let's understand the skeletal system, the framework that gives our body shape and support. Without it, we'd have no structure or ability to move, just skin and organs without shape or movement. The skeletal system has three main parts. 1. The skeleton, the sturdy framework of bones. 2. Cartilage, the smooth, flexible tissue that cushions joints. And the third, ligaments, the strong bands holding bones together. Human skeleton can be divided into 4 parts: skull, backbone, rib cage, and limbs. Let us start with the skull, the hard, protective shell for your brain. Did you know the skull is not flexible? Unlike other parts of your skeleton, most of the skull bones are tightly fused together, which means they cannot move. This lack of flexibility is important because it keeps your brain safe from injury. But wait, there's an exception. The lower jaw, also called the mandible, is the only part of the skull that moves. This movement lets you talk, chew food, and even yawn. Imagine if your jaw couldn't move. You wouldn't be able to eat or speak. Backbone or vertebral column. Have you ever wondered how you can twist, bend, or even stand tall without falling over? The secret lies in your backbone, also called the vertebral column. The backbone is a long, rod-like structure running from the base of your skull to your hips. It is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae, which are stacked like building blocks. These bones are separated by small gaps filled with flexible discs, making the backbone strong yet flexible. But the backbone isn't just about movement. It also protects one of the most delicate structures in your body, the spinal cord. The spinal cord acts as a communication highway, connecting your brain to the rest of your body. Here's something to think about. Why do you think the backbone is made up of several small bones instead of being one single long bone? Could it be that flexibility and protection both need to work together? Think about it. Rib cage. The rib cage is like a sturdy shield, protecting 2 of the most vital organs in your body, your heart and lungs. It is made up of 12 pairs of flat, curved bones that create a cage around your chest. These ribs are connected to the breastbone in the center of your chest. Some ribs are attached directly, while others are connected through cartilage. This cartilage plays a crucial role by allowing the rib cage to expand and contract as you breathe in and out. Take a deep breath. Feel your chest rise? That's your rib cage expanding to make space for your lungs to fill with air. Now exhale. Your rib cage contracts as your lungs release the air. Isn't it amazing how your body protects and supports such an important process every second of the day? What do you think would happen if the rib cage wasn't flexible enough to expand and contract? How would that affect your breathing? Limbs. Our limbs, the arms and legs, are truly amazing. Together, they contain most of the bones in our body, making them essential for movement and activities. Let's start with the legs. The femur, or thigh bone, is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. It supports our weight and helps us walk, run, and jump. Now, the arms. The humerus, located in the upper arm, connects the shoulder to the elbow. It helps us lift, throw, and carry things. Each limb is attached to the rest of the skeleton by girdles. The pelvic girdle connects the legs, while the pectoral girdle attaches the arms. These girdles act as strong, flexible anchors, allowing a wide range of movements like stretching, bending, and rotating. Here's something to think about. Why do you think our limbs need so many bones, while some parts of the skeleton, like the skull, have much fewer? Could it have something to do with flexibility and movement? Fascinating to consider, isn't it? The second component of the skeletal system is cartilage. Cartilage is a smooth, flexible tissue found at the ends of bones where they meet to form a joint. It acts as a cushion, preventing bones from rubbing against each other and allowing smooth movements. You can also find cartilage in other places, like your ears and nose, making them soft and flexible. The third component of the skeletal system is ligaments. Ligaments are strong, fibrous bands that hold bones together at joints. They act like sturdy ropes, keeping the bones stable while still allowing movement. Without ligaments, our joints would be wobbly and weak. Now here's something to think about. What's the difference between the skeleton and the skeletal system? The skeleton is simply the framework of bones that gives our body its shape. The skeletal system, on the other hand, includes the bones plus the cartilage, ligaments, and other structures that support and enable movement. So, while the skeleton is the foundation, the skeletal system is the entire team working together to keep us moving. Now, why is the skeleton so important? Let's find out. It gives shape and support to your body. It protects delicate organs like your brain and heart. Along with muscles, it helps you move. And it even produces blood cells in the bone marrow. Isn't the skeletal system amazing? But bones alone can't make you move. They need the help of joints and muscles to get the job done. Curious to know how they work together? Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore the joints and muscles in humans. Thanks for joining today's session. Keep observing how your body works